how to make and create Twitter post on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional Twitter post on canva.com. Or what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Canva, log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for Twitter. Go down, click on Twitter post. It will take you directly to this page. Now choose a template right here. You have many templates. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one, and you can change the text and the pictures. As you can see, it looks so professional. After you finish editing, click share and download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.